Hello. Little boy. What is your name? Hey.
No, not talk to you.
Why not?
No. I'm driving.
You're driving? So when you're driving, you can't talk to me? Amari, what is your name?
My name is Mama.
What's your next name?
I name my good.
Okay. Look here now.
Eh?
Look here. How old are you?
I'm 21.
Look here again. What's your favorite toy?
Teacher.
That's your favorite toy? What you do with that?
I'm doing to drive.
Drive. So you don't count with it?
No, I can't go to it.
You're not going to count with it? So look here again. What mommy name?
Jake one.
Mommy name Jaquan?
Yep.
No, what mommy name?
Sanya.
Oh, what daddy name?
Father.
Daddy name father?
Yep.
Or grandma name?
Jake one.
Grandma?
Yep.
What grandma name?
Jake one Thompson.
Grandma name Jaquan Thompson?
Yep.
Grandma name Jaquan Thompson? Alright.
Grandma name Wilson.
Oh,
Not the.
oh, you're Jaquan. Okay. You can count?
Nope.
You can't count?
Nope. No.
You want to try and count for me?
Wait. Don't finish.
Soon finish.
Don't finish. Something toy. 1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I got all of them. Alright, you want to sing ABC for me?
Bye-bye.
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 But I'm talking to you.
Bye-bye.
So, sir, you're not singing the ABC for me? Amari, you like to comb your hair?
No,
Why not?
but
Alright, so you want me to cut it? You want me to cut your hair? Hmm? Amari, you want me to cut your hair? But you don't like to comb it and you don't want me to cut it?
no.
So what you want me to do with your hair?
You want to call me?
You want to comb it?
Don't call me.
Amari,
Yeah?
you want to go to school?
No.
You don't want to go to school?
No.
You gonna mash up my phone?
Not gonna mess up your phone.
Alright, look here. So you don't want to go to school?
No.
Amari, who's your favorite, daddy or mommy?
Daddy, mommy car.
Huh? Who's your favorite? Who's your favorite, mommy or daddy?
Mommy.
Mommy, yay! You like going to the beach?
No.
You don't like going to the beach?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I go to the beach.
You want to go to the beach?
With my boat.
Where your boat?
Yeah.
I have no idea. Where did you leave your boat?
Hmm?
Where did you leave your boat?
The wheel.
Nowhere.
That's my blue boat.
Your blue boat?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to have to look for your blue boat.
Yeah. Blue boat over yard.
Over here?
Yeah, over sand.
So, Amari,
Eh?
why are you not wearing any shorts?
No.
Where's your shorts?
No.
You're not,
Over here.
you're not wearing shorts?
Tell me in the bus.
You're thumping the bus. Okay. Amari,
Hmm?
what do you think of the Jamaican economy?
No!
Amari, so you gonna mash up your favorite toy? Amari, what's your favorite color? Hmm? What color is that? Pink?
This orange.
That's orange? But which one you like?
Indian, take it by Indian ninja. Ninja.
It's Night Ninja?
Yeah, ninja tick. It is something ninja. And take up the doors. Ninja, take up his doors on my kid. But Mary do it, and younger do it, and that will push Ninja chick party, and Mario go top boy.
Amari, what month you born? So why you broke it? Amari, you not pay me no mind? Amari, you like playing with mommy? Eh?
Alright, stop it, you.
You can play with me?
We want to play with.
What you giving me to play with?
I'm going to give you all of them, yeah? I'm going to give you all of them. Pen these them.
Thank you. Alright, say bye-bye. Not saying bye-bye? Why?
Come on fast.
You like running?
Yep.
What? Say love you, mommy. You don't love me? Jeez, I'm gonna cry.
I love you.
Alright. You still suck titty?
Huh?
No? You don't suck titty anymore? You're a big boy.
What?
What?
I'm a boy.
Yeah?
No! I'm just another!
Alright, say bye-bye.
You have to love you.
Why not?
Come on.
Alright.